convert an Excel workbook into text file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I am going to convert this Excel Word document into text file. Click on File tab on upper left corner. Click on Export and click on Change File Type and then select Text tab delimiter and then click on Save As. Now type the file name. I'm typing the file name book. Now click on Save. Some features in this workbook might be lost if you save it as text. That means this formatting will be lost. Now click on Yes. Now I'm going to check my text file. Go to File Explorer and now open the text file book 11 and look, my Excel workbook is converted into text file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.